Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Chess application for your Android device. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, open your Play Store. Go to the search box once you do that and type in Chess and search. There are several chess applications available in the App Store or the Play Store. Look for this application from chess.com and tap on the install button to begin downloading the app. Now, all you need to do is to wait for the application to finish downloading it. Once the application is installed, you will be able to play the game on your Android phone. So that's how easy it is to download and play Chess application on your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.